how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. So if you want to use two WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone, and what you need to do is first you need to start by opening your WhatsApp application on your iPhone. So in my case, I'll just simply go with the WhatsApp right here. So you'll have WhatsApp application, right? So if you want to use two WhatsApp accounts, then what you need to do is first option is you need to just open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you will have WhatsApp Business. Search for WhatsApp Business and you'll be able to download WhatsApp Business and you'll be able to add another account. It's completely free and works almost exactly like the regular WhatsApp. Download and install WhatsApp Business. Once it finishes installing, open the app and register using your second phone number. You'll now have WhatsApp Messenger as account 1 and WhatsApp Business as account 2. Both apps work side by side so that you can have the chats, voice calls, videos, medias, and everything else on both accounts. And just like that, your dual WhatsApp setup will be ready. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.